Well, today I'm gonna smoke up some chicken legs for supper, so I thought I'd take you along for the ride. Oh yeah, we're gonna make us a white sauce to go on top of those legs. What we're gonna do is head down to your local pig. We're gonna grab ourselves a couple boxes here or cartons. Chicken. Now these things like 5 chicken legs for $1. There's no reason why anybody should be hungry in this world. We're gonna stuff them into one of these food saver marinating boxes. And for the marinade, we're gonna start out with 2 cups of water. Some of this here smoked salt, which I'll leave a link to up here. If you hadn't watched it yet or made you some, get on it. Okay, that's about 2 smidgens. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue rub and about a tablespoon of your favorite spicy barbecue rub. Now for the kicker, we're going to get us some dill pickle and habanero hot sauce. Add you in a splash. Put what you think you can stand, give her a blitz, and cover up that chicken. Now, let's suck the air out of this box right here. Let me tell you, this takes a overnight marinade process and turns it into about a 2-hour process. Did I say process more than once? I don't want to say process a lot. Anywho, stick her in the fridge for about 2 hours. While that's in there, let's make up a sauce. Let's start out with half a cup of your favorite mayo, the juice of half a fresh lemon. Nope, that was a lime. Anywho, and about 3/4 cup of pickle juice. It's better than vinegar. About a tablespoon of your favorite barbecue rub, and 1 nice poop of garlic puree. Alrighty, just for y'all people that don't like MSG, I'm going to put some in there just for the heck of it. And just a little bit of jalapeno juice. Let's give that, I forgot. We got to put in pepper. How about a tablespoon of smoked pepper medley? It's in that salt video if you want to watch. Give her a stir and a snort. And a taste. Make sure everything's tasting just right. And I believe she needs a kick. So remember that there pickle habanero sauce? Let's put a little in there. Alrighty. Now, we're on to something. I mean, what can I say? You could put this on anything. Alrighty. Let's set it to the side and go back and get that chicken. Been 2 hours. Now, we must release. Watch this. It's pretty neat too. It goes. Alrighty. Let's get it out. And all you got to do, we're going to snort it to make sure it's in there long enough, I guess. And it was. So get out those legs and just squeeze you off that juice. Now, we didn't really put anything crazy in the marinade, so there's no sense of washing it. Plus, washing chicken's kind of dumb. Now, we're going to hit these pretty heavy with this here moon dust. It's from my buddies over at Moon Dogs Makers and Bakers. And really no salt in it. It's just a plethora of awesome chilies. So hit her heavy. It will not hurt. There you go. We're not going to let it sit or nothing. We're just going to take it outside and get it on the grill. And we're cooking on a little S&S portable today. It's fun to downsize every once in a while. And I'm getting tongue-tied. I'm sorry. Let's get this chicken on there. Oh, yeah, we're cooking indirect. And that's why I like this S&S. It's got the slow and sear on that side with FOGO Charcoal. And it's hot over there and it's not over here. And, just get all those chicken legs on there. You can do it. Watch me. Watch me go. All right. And we're going to throw us on just a little piece of cherry for a little smoke. Get that lid on. And my plan here is to run this cook between 325 degrees to 350 degrees. That'll be like 8,000 Celsius or something. And to control that temp, the bottom's wide open, those vents, and the top, we're just going to move it around till it gets to where we want it. Now, after about 45 minutes, those chicken legs are done. They're setting about 175, 180. But Mojo likes to push the limits. So we're going to dose her down with just a little bit of this sauce. And I also threw a little piece of hickory over there to finish this smoke. And might as well hit it with a little sauce too while we're at it. Alrighty, so we're going to let this go for about another 15 minutes until she looks something like this. Now tell me my legs ain't sexy. If you say they're not, well, they're probably. Anywho, and there you go. I don't mind taking my legs to 200 degrees. Does not bother me whatsoever. It just means they're going to be tender. Hit it with a little of that good old barbecue rub because you can. And we might as well get to the tasting process. Now, if you're still here with me, I appreciate you watching. I would ask for a like and a comment or a subscribe or something, but I just don't do that. Man, look how good that looks. Let's take a bite there, big boy. And let me tell you, this baby's juicy. And unlike most chicken, you can soak chicken in gasoline and it still tastes like chicken. That there marinade box pushes that marinade plumb to the core, which I guess that would be the bone. Alrighty, that's it. I just want to tell you, it's awesome. I cut out most of the eating there because I thought you'd get bored, but I cleaned it. Try it. I promise you, you'll like it, and your family will like it too. Alright, and it'll also make you dance a little. That's all for today. I appreciate you, and Mojo is out.